Our department progressed the investigation from the scene to the sentencing on the 5th of November. The two defendants were arrested for causing death by dangerous driving. Both defendants gave no comment interviews whilst in custody. This caused us numerous issues in being able to build up a picture of their movements and actions, as the collision had occurred in a rural area with no CCTV and no witnesses. This resulted in us in pursuing all lines of inquiry. This included a comprehensive CCTV trawl of all the vehicles involved to establish movement and speed calculation, extensive forensic collision investigation, including reconstructions of the movements of the defendants and victims' vehicles, toxicology submissions in relation to the blood samples of both defendants, crime scene investigation submissions of the airbags, telematics and infotainment interrogation of both vehicles involved, mobile phone and digital media inquiries to link the defendants to the scene and the vehicles involved, also to show that they knew each other. We also work alongside the allocated family liaison officer to ensure the family have all the support throughout the investigation and to make sure they are regularly updated. Once the investigation was complete, we submitted a comprehensive file of evidence to the CPS where they authorised the charges.